I not going in?
You're not reason.
This place is not controlled by the police.
It's controlled by the police.
It is controlled by the Judicial
We are here now. What
Commission.
can you do?
The officers are here. You are abusing your powers. You are attacking. Is that what you are doing? Anyway.
Wait for
Excuse me. Excuse me. I am entitled to get in there as a lawyer. So the courts are now controlled by the police. You now control the court. You do. So this is a police state. It's a police state. Don't say Futeka to me. You have no right to say Futeka to me. You have no right to say Futeka to me. I have an ID as a lawyer. And I give it. They have it. I come here every day. It's not for you. It is not for you. It is for Judicial Services Commission. It is not for you. My ID is not going to be seen by you. It's going to be seen by the court officials.
Yes, they know
not
what
you.
get for you.
And they know me. You people, you just think you are the law. I'm entitled to accept my rights. I am entitled to accept my rights. Why are you denying me that right?
Have you been denied entry?
No.
Are you not inside? So proceed where you're supposed to go.
You don't control my movement.
You identify yourself.
You don't control my movement.
You identify yourself. Come.
No, I'm not getting upset. They must be told this is now a police state.
Social distance.
Social distance.